This human body is a marvel in itself. Do you know that it could be one of the finest creations in the entire universe? The Almighty or the Supreme Energy who chose to create something like a human has actually put in a lot of thought behind how this could be created. And it is genuinely one of the finest creations amongst all of your plant kingdom as well as your animal kingdom. Your human body consists of 120 trillion cells at least. It has at least 200 bones. It has at least 600 muscles. And it has this phenomenal supreme brain, which is actually the one that keeps you absolutely apart from all other animal kingdom. Now this human body, which is a marvel creation in itself, do you know what it does? Imagine this entire supreme human body to be like a factory. It's a constant factory where work is happening every single moment, every second, every minute, every hour, every moment, every nanosecond. There are billions of chemical reactions that are happening inside this human body. And those chemical reactions or that activity is actually conducted by the workers of this factory. And the workers are your cells. All of your cells are actually working towards making this body, building it, repairing it, functioning it, sustaining it. So when Hippocrates said that let food be thy medicine, he meant exactly the correct thing, because it took almost 100 years after this statement for modern science to delve into this subject and realize that there is fact in this. Yes, it is these cells that work for us. But like any other factory where the workers require certain raw material to work on, it is these cells that require nutrients to work on. So these nutrients are coming from your food, isn't it? So what you choose to eat, what you don't choose to eat defines what you will become or what you will not become. Every part of this body is actually what you consume. Something that you have consumed inside you becomes a part of you and you eventually become that. So what are these nutrients that your cells need to work on? These nutrients are basically your macro and your micronutrients which come from your diet. Macronutrients like your fats and proteins and carbohydrates and fiber and things like that. Whereas your micronutrients like your vitamins, your minerals, also your vitamins, minerals, enzymes, hormones, all of these have to work together to sustain this body. All of these are putting their efforts together and are interlinked to be able to sustain this body. If one link goes here and there, your body will have a tremendous problem. So say for example, you want to take certain nutrition from the food versus you want to take certain nutrition from the supplements. Today the nutrition industry has become quite a big industry, isn't it? So they offer to you the same nutrition in the form of supplements. What happens when you take it in the form of supplements? Is it created by the Lord? Is it natural? Is it created on the land? Or is it created in a factory? Is it made out of some chemical ingredients? Is it made out of the extracts of the real plants? If you can get something which is abundantly available in the form of fruits and vegetables, in the form of whole grains, in the form of natural food, why do we resort to those supplements which is only going to give us an extract which is chemically processed in a laboratory which will not be absorbed exactly the same way the way a natural food will be? And hence Hippocrates has always said, or our Maharshi Patanjali has said, or Maharshi Sushruta has said, or all our Maharshis have said, food is your medicine. So one important statement here is that if your food is right, you do not need medicines. And if your food is not right, medicines will never work. Think about this again. If your food is right, you don't need medicines, and if your food is not right, your medicines may not work. Think about this over and over again. In the next video, we will be talking about an excellent correlation to show you why this nutrition really works when it comes to through the natural sources. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, namaste.